Hello, my name is Erick Clark, and I'm a graduate student at Texas Southern University. The topic of this presentation is the if decision statement. This is for class MIS 672, Introduction to C++ or Java. The professor of this course is Dr. Marion S. Smith for the fall of 2016. For the agenda, I will discuss what is the if decision statement, followed by presenting you with figures 4.3 and 4.4 of the Visual C# 2012 textbook. Next, we will discuss what are the differences between the two flowcharts in figures 4.3 and 4.4, ending with what are the differences between the two code samples in figures 4.3 and 4.4. According to the textbook, the if and if-else statements are the most commonly used decision-making statements in C#. An if statement can be used to make a single alternative decision. A parenthesis must be placed on both ends of the if statement's evaluated expression. A space can be left between the keyword if and the opening parentheses if you think that format is easier to read. Usable expressions in an if statement can include Boolean expressions. The difference between the two flowcharts is the layout. If there was a semicolon present on figure 4.3, the flowcharts will look exactly the same. The difference has to do with the coding of the flowcharts. When a semicolon is present, the next lines of the code after the semicolon is not part of the if statement. Therefore, you will have a difference in the two charts. This slide depicts what are the differences between the two code samples in figures 4.3 and 4.4. The code segment written and diagrammed in figure 4.3 displays an A and B when number holds a value less than 5. The expression number less than 5 evaluates as true, so the statement that displays A executes. Then the independent statement that displays B executes. When an evaluated expression is false, the rest of the statement does not execute. For example, when number is 5 or greater in figure 4.3, only B is displayed because the expression number less than 5 is false. The statement that displays A never executes. In figure 4.3, notice there is no semicolon at the end of the line that contains if number less than 5. The statement does not end at that point. It ends after the console right line A. If you incorrectly insert a semicolon at the end of if number less than 5, then the statement says, if number is less than 5, do nothing. Then, no matter what the value of number is, the next independent statement displays A. Figure 4.4 shows the flowchart logic that matches the code when a semicolon is placed at the end of the if expression. This concludes the if decision statement presentation. My name is Erick Clark. Thank you for listening.